Identify the slope and y-intercept of the equation. And our equation here is y equals 1/2 x minus 1. Now notice this is in the form of y equals mx plus b form. Our m is our slope. And that lines up with our 1/2. Our b value is our y-intercept. And that's our -1 or -1 because it's in the form of plus b. We can see this -1 like a plus a -1 if that makes it easier. So our slope m is a 1/2 and our y-intercept, our b value, is a -1. So again, this is our slope and this is our y-intercept. So our slope is 1/2 and our y-intercept is a -1.